like, subscribe, and don't forget to press the bell icon. This is the ratio and proportion chapter for standard 7. So I'm going to tell you about what is ratio. It's a comparison of two quantities can be done by either finding the ratio or by calculating their percentage. Now here there is a helicopter, speed is 350 km per hour, and the fighter jet has speed 2,385 km per hour.
It is 2,485 km per hour.
Is done by the ratio. So speed of fighter jet is 7 times the speed of helicopter. Here, this is now exercise 7.2 solution. The Viva Education Publication Textbook, which is for Icse. Even Cbse and state board students can view this and practice these questions. The first question is, find x such that x is to 7 equal to 12 is to 84. So x we have to find out the value. So we are multiplying the middle term, that is 7 into 12, divided by the fourth term, that is 84, and that will give you the answer 84 upon 84, that is 1. The B question, 102 kg is to x equal to 34 meters is to 110 meters. So x is equal to 102 into 110 divided by 34, which is nothing but 3 into 110, that is 330 kg. Third question, x is to 12, is to 12 is to 7. So x is equal to 12 multiplied by 12 divided by 7 will give you 144 divided by 7, which is nothing but 24 upon 7. D question, 0.8 is to 2.4 is to x is to 7.5. So 0.8 into 7.5, that is the extreme term divided by the middle term, that is 2.4, that gives you 28, that gives you 2.5. So 7.5 divided by 3, that is 2.5. Key question, 28 gram is to 140 gram is to 17 kg is to x. So x is equal to 140 into 17 divided by 28. So nothing but 5 into 17, that is 85 kg. F question, 4 1 upon 3 is to 3 1 upon 3 is to x is to 20. So x is equal to 4 1 upon 3 is 13 upon 3 into 20, that is extreme term, divided by the middle term, that is 3 1 upon 3 is 10 upon 3, and therefore 13 multiplied by 3 into 20 into 3 divided by
3 into 10. That gives you 3 gets cancelled,
will give you
and then 20 divided by 10 is 2. So 13 into 2 is 26.
26 is the answer. So find the fourth. Now the second question is, find the fourth proportional of the following. 2, 5, 4. Let the fourth proportional x. So 2 upon 2 is to 5 is to 4 is to x. So that will give you 10 as the answer.
Because 5 into 4 upon 2.
6 is 4 and half. The fourth proportional proportional will be 1 upon 3. 1.4 is 1.6 and 3.5. So 1.4 is to 1.6 is equal to 3.5 is to x. That is x is equal to 1.6 into 3.5 divided by 1.4. That gives you that is 8 upon 7 and 7 5s are, that is 0.5.
Actually, here it is 8 into 0.5, that is 4.
4 is
Yeah.
the answer. Then the next is 2 1 upon 3, 1 and half and 1 5 by 9. So 7 upon 3 is to 3 upon 2 is to 14 upon 9. Is to 14 upon 9 is to x. That is x is equal to 3 upon 2 multiplied by 14 upon 9 divided by 7 upon 3, that is 3 upon 7. So 3 gets cancelled and 9 gets cancelled with 3 into 3 and 2 7s are, and therefore 1 upon 4 is the answer.
No, here 3 upon 2 into 14 upon 9 into 3 upon 7, that gives you 2 gets cancelled with 2, that is 7. 7 upon 7 is 1, and 3 up into 3 upon 9 is also 1. So 1 is the answer of the D question. And E question,
Upon 3 divided by 7 upon 3, that is 1 upon 4 is the answer. 1 upon 3, 1 upon 2 and 1 upon 6. So 1 upon 3 is to half is to 1 upon 6 is to x. That is x is equal to 1 upon 2 into 1 upon 6 divided by 1 upon 3, that is multiplied by 3. So 3 2s are 6 and that will give you
1 upon 4 as the answer. 1 upon 12 into 3 is 1 upon 4.
here. So third question is we have to find out the possible proportion using following. So 5 is to 10 is to 2 is to 4, that is 1 upon 2, 1 upon 2. 2 is to 5 is to 4 is to 10, that is 2 upon 5 and 2 upon 5. 5 is to 2 is to 10 is to 4 is 5 upon 2 and 5 upon 2. And
10 is to 5 is to 4 upon 2. That is 4 upon 2.
2 and 5 is to 4 is to 5. So that is 2, 1.
2 upon 1 and 2 upon 1. So 2 upon 1 and 2 upon 1.
And 5 is to 2. So that will also give you the same ratio. So 0 is to 4 is to 1 is to 1.4 is to 0.7. So these are the 4 proportions given. So you can see that
Here 0.4 is to 1.4 is to 2 point.
so there is only one which is in continuous proportion, 3, 9 and 27. Others are not.
So in the third question, C, B it is 0.4 is to 1.4 is to 0.2 is to 0.7. That is 2 is to 7 is the ratio. So if you get 2 is to 7 ratio or 7 is to 2 ratio, that will be in the proportion. So 4 is to 2 again, and 2 is to 1 and 2 is to 1. Here the third is 2 is to 4, and that is 1 is to 2 and 1 is to 2. So like that the ratio should be equal. Then only they are in proportion. So you have to check whether the quantities, first two quantities have equal ratio with the third and the fourth quantity. So that is in the third question I have explained.
So third question is here.
Now the fifth question.
Find the mean proportional between the means the middle proportion. So 3 and 12. So we have to multiply. So that gives you 36. And the square root of that will be the mean proportion. That is 6. 9 and 36. When you multiply that, you get 324. And its square root is 18. So mean proportional is 18. 4.5 and 0.5. So when you multiply that, you get 2.25, and its mean proportional will be the square root of 2.25, that is 1.5. Then 1 upon 3 and 3 upon 49, the multiplication of is 1 upon 3 into 3 upon 49, that is 1 upon 49, and its square root is 1 upon 7 is the answer. Find the third proportional to the following, that is 525. So third proportional will be, you have to find out by taking 5 is to 25, is to 25 is to x. So third proportion will be 125. 0.4 is 0.6. So third proportion will be, you have to repeat that 0.6. So 0.4 is 0.6 is equal to 0.6 is to x. So that will be 0.6 into 0.6, that is 0.36 upon 0.4, and that will be 3.6, so that is 0.9. So 2 upon 3 and 3 upon 8, so third proportion will be 2 upon 3, 3 upon 8 is to 3 upon 8 is to x. So that is 27 upon 128 is the mean, is the third proportional. D. 1 upon 5, 1 upon 4. The third proportional will be 1 upon 5 is to 1 upon 4 is to 1 upon 4 is to x. So x is equal to 1 upon 4 into 1 upon 4 divided by 1 upon 5, that is 5 upon 16 is the fourth proportional.
So in C question of question number 6, 3 upon 8 into 3 upon 8, that gives you 9 upon 64 divided by 2 upon 3, and 3 will go up. So 9 into 3 is 27 and 64 into 2 is 128. Same way B question, 0.6 into 0.6 is 0.36 divided by 0.4, and that is 36 upon 100 into 10 upon 4. So that gives you 36 upon 100 and 10 upon. So 1 0 get cancelled, and 36 upon 4 is 9, and 9 upon 10 is nothing but 0.9. So this completes 7.2 exercise of Ratio and Proportion chapter, Viva Education Publication Textbook, Icse. Also for Cbse in State Board, you can view these questions and you will be able to understand the questions from your book. For it is for class 7. Please like, subscribe, and don't forget to press the bell icon. I want more and more subscribers. Thank you, children. God bless you.